Hello beautiful faces, my name is Richa Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be Bandra Hill Road Haul, and let me tell you, the stuff I'm going to show in this video have been bought by me 3 months before, so I have no idea if you're going to get this or not. The special thing about this haul video is like for the first time ever in my life, I went to Bandra by train on my own and I shopped everything alone, and that's a huge achievement for a girl like me who doesn't know how to travel by a train and who is like I'm so insecure about traveling alone and to shop alone. But this was the very first time I went alone because I asked many of my friends and no one turned up, and it happens when you need somebody and no one shows up. So that time I felt so bad and so hurt that I was like, no, I'll do it by myself and I'm going to go buy and come alone. And I did it, so this haul is very special for me and it will be forever. The very first thing which I'm going to show you today is this red shirt. This is a mini cropped shirt. You can see there are multiple buttons over here. It's completely like beautifully cropped, and you can see, and you even have this TikTok thing over here which I don't want to do, and you can wear it as a jacket or the way it is. So this was the first thing, and now so the second thing which I have with me is this red top. And I don't know, like previously I used to have a lot of white tops, now I have red tops. My goodness, so this is a very weird. I have already wore this top in my jeans collection video. I will be adding the try on part over here. You can see it's perfect. My mom told me to give it to my niece and I won't. So the third thing which I have we got is a cropped shirt. I have very short tops and I don't have a jacket. Got this shirt. It's a very mini cropped shirt and it's a full sleeve top. The color is very beautiful. This is a rusty brown color, and you can see the try on part. Next up I have again a red top. So I have this one, a cropped shirt. Living the dream. Hopefully very soon I will be saying this, living my dream. Living the dream, not my dream. So I told you, I have way too many red tops now, and I can do a whole collection of my red tops. Next up I have a jeans, and these are high waist jeans, super duper, you can see. And the best part about this is that it got a belt, like a stylish belt. It has a button inside. Let me show you. You have to put it through it. So this is the part, it looks very classy. And you can see the design. It has a different design over it. And it got pockets, real pockets. Again I have a jeans, and it's a super high waist jeans. This is the jeans, and they are wide leg jeans. Super. See the high waist, see, this is super high waist, super. Next up, again you have seen this top already, and this is my recent favorite color. So this is it's too cat. This is a lavender. It's not picking, I think. I will add the try on, you will get a better idea. It's a lavender top. Oh my goodness. Just check the try on part. It's exactly like the tops you get at the SS store, street style store. It's similar like that. It's perfect lavender color, but it's not catching. I don't know why. I have this top, like I don't like it. I don't like it, but like it doesn't look good on me. It's a tie-dye which is in trend. This is a blue tie-dye top. And got a knot, and I hate tops with this knot, so probably I'm going to chop it off because I hate that. And it's XL, but I got it just to wear it at night. Next up, let's go random. I don't want to make you bored, so I have, it is like, you know, first time I got footwear, like this type of footwear. You know, this is like proper sandals we call, and I have wore it a lot of times, so you can see the prints have been gone, but these are perfect. These are perfect, and I really liked it. Like, it goes with all of my dresses. I bought this only to wear with my dresses, because when I wear some dresses I don't have anything. I don't like wearing shoes all the time. Please avoid the background noise. I can't do anything. I really can't do anything for that. Next up, I have this background noise. I am so happy that I got both the footwear of my size, because I don't get anything in my size because my foots are so tiny. And yeah, luckily I got that. Touchwood. Also, I think you have already seen them in my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please do watch it right now, and do let me in the comment section below if you like that video or not. And that's my favorite video till now. I have put my heart in that. So yeah. So moving on to the next thing, we have this pant. This is a beige pant, and this is super high waist, like super high waist. Like ever, I like things which are very super high waisted. It makes my waist look very tiny. I already have a tiny waist, and I wear high waist jeans and it looks more tiny, but I can't do anything. So this is the thing. Like, it's got 3 buttons. Let me check. Does it have pockets? See, I hate this. You know, I hate this. This is fraud, and this is scam. I don't have pockets. Just see. This is scam. And to be honest, I'm going to style this pant very soon. I have a top from Shein. Let me show you that. Shein is pant बहुत दर्द होता है. So I have this top from Shein, and you know, this both looks together so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm going to style them very soon, and just wait for that. I don't know, I will be filming it over here or at Mumbai, because just 2 days left and I have to leave from here, and it breaks my heart. Yeah, fine. And probably this video is going to be live once I reach Mumbai, because I'm not going to upload it over here because I don't have much time. Yeah. Okay. Moving on, I have one more jeans. This is the jeans. You know, this happens with me. Like, I will bought so many high waist jeans, and from somewhere some scam happens and I get some low waist jeans, and this is probably the low waist jeans, and I don't like it, but I didn't return it. I like the bottom of it. Actually, you know, previously I used to wear a lot of skinny jeans, and now if you see my wardrobe, I have jeans with wide legs, straight fit, like anything except skinny jeans. Okay, I forgot to show you the jeans which I am wearing right now. This is mom jeans, black mom jeans, which you have already seen in my previous video. Like, this is from Monkey, and I got it from Bandra Hill Road. I'm not going to show you right now. I will add the try on part because I'm wearing it. I'm too lazy to just get up and show you all. Okay, so probably we are done with outfits and footwear. I have one bag to show you all. This bag in this beautiful purple color, like anything in purple, lavender, I am obsessed with them. This is complete like a tote bag, but in a purple color. I was searching for this bag since a very long time. I have this, front thing. I have my Aadhaar card, my PAN card, and I have my remote on this. Then I have my clips. By the way, I look very beautiful in my PAN card. Let me show you all. See? Can you see that? Like in the middle compartment, it is very spacious. And I have my money inside it. And we have one more inside it. And I have my money inside it again. So it is very, very spacious. Also, if you want to have something like, they didn't give me, but I can attach if I want. So this is probably the most beautiful bag I have got till now in purple color. Okay, moving on to the next. I have scrunchies. Yeah. So I have 4 scrunchies with me. The very first one is this red one. You can see how beautiful it looks. Then I have this, all these 3 are in satin. I have this grey one. This is baby pink. And this is ochre color. And you can see the scrunchies. I would much recommend you to, whenever you go to Bandra Hill Road, just stock up on the scrunchies. They are really beautiful. I got it from an auntie. She was sitting on the roadside and she had this bucket thing, and I was just walking by, like I was done with my shopping. Earrings. These are beautiful peacock earrings, which you have already seen in my video, my previous video. Yeah. So I will be not adding a diamond part of my jewelry. I know I'm just punching my previous video because I love that. Next up we have the shell earring. These are so beautiful. Then we have this white moti wale earrings, which you have already seen, I know. And next up, like I'm someone, I don't wear glasses, I don't have that confidence to wear glasses and walk in public. Like, are you like me? Do let me in the comment section below. I feel very awkward. I'm like, people are staring at me and I'm the only one wearing glasses. So I got these glasses. And this looks really amazing. I wore this, like I bought this to wear in my village. Like whenever I wear here, I don't feel awkward. I'm like, it looks nice. But when I wear there in Mumbai, I feel awkward. Yeah. Next up, and the last thing which I have with me is, this is very beautiful. Let me show you. I have this. So beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. This is a 3-layer jewelry and this is very beautiful. This is very, very, very beautiful. This is the first layer, the second layer and the third layer. So that's all for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, you know what you have to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel.